So today we will start exercise 33. So what is the first question? Put the correct symbol greater than or less than in the placeholder. So you have to see the fraction. You can see here the denominator is equal. The denominator is equal. Here is also 5 denominator and here 5. Okay, both are equal. So you have to see the numerator. Which numerator is greater? You can see 4 is greater than 2. So 4 upon 5 will be greater than 2 upon 5. When the denominator will be equal, you have to see the numerator. Which numerator will be greater? That fraction will be greater. Okay. So here you can see 4 is greater than 2. So this fraction will be greater. Now I am going to tell you question number 2. Arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to greatest. Okay. So I am going to write which one is this. Here you can see, students, the denominators are equal. So which numerator will be less, that fraction will be also small. Okay. So 1 by 9 is smaller. Then after that, which fraction will be greater? 4 upon 9. Then 5 upon 9. And the greatest fraction is 7 upon 9. So like this you have to solve in your fair copy. This symbol should be in your fair copy. Okay. I am going to tell you next question, question number 3. What is question number 3? This is question number 10. This was question number 10. Now I am going to tell you question number 11. What is question number 11? Arrange the following fractions in descending order. Arrange the following fractions in descending order. Fractions in descending order. What is the fraction? 4 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 6 upon 7, 1 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. Okay. So I am going to write here descending order. What is descending order? Descending order is greatest to smallest. Firstly, you have to write the greatest fraction. Okay. Which one is the greatest fraction in this? Because denominators are equal. So you have to see the numerator. Which numerator will be greater? That fraction will be greater. So 6 upon 7. Firstly, 6 upon 7 is greater. Then 4 upon 7. 4 upon 7, then 3 upon 7, then 2 upon 7, then 1 upon 7. So like this you have to write in your fair copy. This symbol should be in your fair copy. Okay. So like this you can solve exercise 33 in your fair copy. Now I am going to tell you exercise 34. What is the first question of exercise 34? The first question is put the correct symbol. Put the correct symbol. Okay. Question number 1. 3 upon 4. And 3 upon 7. Dear students, here you can see the numerator are equal. Okay. In this case, what you will do? When the numerator will be equal, then you will see the denominator. Which denominator will be greater? That fraction will be smaller. जिसका डिनोमिनेटर बेटा बड़ा होगा वो फ्रैक्शन छोटा हो जाएगा. जब न्यूमरेटर इक्वल होता है तो डिनोमिनेटर हम देखते हैं, जब जिसका डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा होता है वो फ्रैक्शन इक्वल होता है, वो फ्रैक्शन छोटा हो जाता है. Here you can see the numerator are equal, so we will see the denominator. Which denominator will be greater? That fraction will be smaller. So it means this fraction is smaller than this fraction. Okay. So 3/4 will be greater and 3/7 will be smaller. So like this you have to write in your fair copy. What is question number 10? The question number 10 of this exercise is also arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Which fraction? 2/5, 2/5, 2/7, 2/3 and 2/9 and 2/9. सो बेटा जिसका डिनोमिनेटर सबसे बड़ा होगा वो फ्रैक्शन छोटा हो जाएगा क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर इक्वल है. तो विच फ्रैक्शन इज स्मॉलर? 2/9 इज स्मॉलर. आफ्टर दैट 2/7, then 2/5, then 2/3. So like this you have to write in your fair copy. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 11 of exercise 34. Arrange the following fraction in descending order. Arrange the following fractions in descending order. What is the fraction? 2/9, 2/11, 2/5 and 2/3. Descending order means from greatest to smallest. So firstly we have to check which fraction is greater. So here the numerator is equal, so you have to see the denominator. Which denominator will be greater? That fraction will be smaller. So 2/11 is the smaller fraction. Then 2 So firstly you have to write greatest fraction. What you have to write? Greatest fraction. So which one is the greatest fraction? 2/3. From greatest to smallest you have to write now. So which one is the greatest fraction? 2/3 is greatest fraction. Then 2/5. Then 2/9. Then 2/11. So 2/11 is the smallest fraction and 2/3 is the greatest fraction. Like this you have to write in your fair copy. Okay. Now I am going to tell you exercise 35. Exercise 35. like fraction. Which of the following are groups of like fraction? Which of the following groups are like fractions? A 2/5, 4/5, B 1/8, 3/8, 7/8, and C 2/7, 4/7, 2/7, 4/7, 5/7, 3/7, 5/7, 3/7, 6/7. D 1/6, 2/9, 3/5, 4/7, and 1/3. Okay. E 1/2, so I am writing the questions, beta. This question is given in your book, okay? Question number F. So this question is, the first question of exercise 35 is this: which are the following groups of like fraction? So A, B, C, D, E and F. These questions are given in your book and you have to tell the like fractions. So what is like fraction? Firstly, you should know, students, what is like fraction. A fraction whose denominators are same are called like fraction. Like fractions. Okay. A fraction whose denominators are same are called like fractions. So we have to see which denominators are same. You can see in question number C, all denominators are same, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. And in question number F, 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay. And question number A. So you can tell that A, C and F are like fractions. Which A, C and F are like fractions. A, B, C, F. A like fraction and B is like fraction and C is also like fraction and F is also like fraction. So you have to write direct answer. In this question you have to write direct answer. There is no need to solve anything because you are knowing this definition that a fraction whose denominators are same are called like fraction. So you have to write here A, B, C. D is like fraction? No. E is like fraction? No. F and F are like fractions. Like fractions. Like this you can solve question number 2 also. In question number 2 you have to tell the groups of unlike fractions. So what is unlike fraction? A fractions whose denominators are not same are called unlike fraction. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 3. Write 3 like fractions like fractions with the first question is denominator 8. सो बेटा आपको कोई भी 3 फ्रैक्शन लिख देना है जिसका डिनोमिनेटर 8 हो. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट हियर 3/8, 5/8, 7/8 are like fraction. Okay, and denominator is 8. तो ऐसे आप कर लेंगे बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ओके, now I am going to tell you question number 36. No, I am going to tell you question exercise 36. Exercise 36. The first question is like this: 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 3/5 equal to the blanks is given here 5. So this is addition of fractions beta. How will you do? How will you do? So if the denominator is equal, simply you have to add the numerators upside 1 plus 3. Okay, so 1 plus 3, what you will get here? 4/5 you will get. Okay, so like this you can write. Now I am going to tell you question number 6. 1/6 plus 3/6. So how will you add this? Firstly you have to write on division line, then you have to write down side 6, and what you will add 1 plus 3 equal to 4/6. अगर बेटा डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल होता है, there is no need to take LCM when the denominators are equal. Okay, simply you have to add the numerator upside and you have to write one denominator which is 6 downside. Okay, so 1 plus 3 equal to 4/6. Like this you can add. Okay, question number 13. What is question number 13? 4/15 plus 7/15 plus 2/15. So denominators are equal, so you have to write denominator here, and upside you will add the numerators 4 plus 7 plus 2. 7, 4, 11 to 13/15 is your answer. This is very simple to add. Firstly you have to write the denominators, then numerators you will add upside 4 plus 7 plus 2. 7 to 9, 4, 13/15. Like this you can solve in your fair copy, and you have to solve in your fair copy like this process only. Okay, Question number 15 I am going to give you. Eight upon 11 and 2 upon 11. You have to add this number. So how will you add? Firstly, you have to write with plus sign these fractions. Then you will add 11 will be downside and upside numerator will be 8 plus 2. So 10 upon 11 is your answer. Okay. Question number 21. 2 upon 12, 3 upon 12 and 5 upon 12. So you have to add this. So firstly you will write with plus sign these fractions. Now the denominator will be downside and upside. You will add the numerator 2, 3, 5, 5, 10. 10 upon 12 is your answer. Okay. So dear students, I hope you understand this well. Today you have to complete till this exercise. Okay. Thanks. Have a nice day.